Hi, hello, welcome to Innobuds. Now we are going to see 7 stages for creating a web design. Discovery and research. The first stage in creating a web design is discovery and research. This step sets the foundation for the entire project by gathering important information about the client's goals, target audience, and industry trends. Wireframing and planning. Once the initial research is completed, the next stage is to create wireframes and plan the website layout. A wireframe is a blueprint or schematic that outlines the structure of the website, focusing on its layout, content placement, and functionality. Design and visual identity. With a clear wireframe and plan in place, it's time to start the visual design of the website. The design phase is where you bring the wireframes to life and focus on creating an engaging, visually attractive, and user-friendly content creation and integration. A website's content is one of the most important aspects of its success. In the content creation and integration stage, designers and content creators work together to populate the site with engaging, informative, and SEO-optimized content. Development and coding. Once the design and content are finalized, the next step is development and coding. This is where the website becomes interactive and functional. Testing and quality assurance. The testing and quality assurance (QA) stage is crucial to ensure that the website is free of errors and provides an optimal user experience. Thorough testing helps identify issues that may affect usability, performance, or security. Launch and post-launch maintenance. The final stage is the launch and post-launch maintenance phase. After testing is complete, the website is deployed and made live for the world to see. However, the work doesn't stop here.